This time we'd like to call in Mr. Bon Cortez to dedicate a song for us. One of the birthday celebrants today. Bon Cortez, come on up. You're up. Okay, this is a special request, okay? Dedicated to all of you.
Ako sa mga may TFC.
Nabihat mo ang ngiti ko kay tamis ay nakita ko. Bakit nga ba ang puso di mabilang bibig sa'yo? Di ko papaligaya kapag kami isa.
So we're now going to, while you're having your dinner, early dinner, we're going to start the celebration of the 8th anniversary of the Forever Young Senior Society and also the induction of officers. program by calling a youthful retired nurse and the current vice president of the club to give some Forever Young Senior Society's highlights of initiatives for the past years. Ladies and gentlemen, let us welcome our Vice President, Dolly Olvido.
Feliz Navidad, Feliz Navidad, Feliz Navidad, prospero año y felicidad.
Ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of the Forever Young Senior Society's officers and directors, thank you for sharing your time with us today. 8 years ago, when Forever Young Senior Society was created and registered as a non-profit organization in Victoria, one of the objectives is to be proactive with the members. We work together as a team to initiate fun and originality in all our social undertaking. FYSS is proud to say, first move on the following. First, initiated a different format on birthday presentation by having a birthday toast. Second, initiated a group tour started in Las Vegas. Then the latest, the Alaska cruise, and looking forward to another tour next year. Third, initiated the FYSS website linked with the YouTube for social function viewing, as well as creating a global exposure. The next one is initiated the Hawaiian luau, depicting the Kamehameha dynasty. Next is initiated the look-alike contest for the popular international costume. And next, initiated several themes to arouse enthusiasm among members, such as the black and white attire themes, the Roaring Twenties, and others. But most of all, Forever Young is here for you because our members, our attendees, and our guests are always looking forward to be the Forever Young. Thank you and have a good afternoon.
Ang susunod po nating programa is a special number. Kaya, because it's Christmas and it's fast approaching, the Forever Young Senior Society officers have a very special treat to all of you. Gusto niyo po bang pakinggan na sila? Okay, this will be headed by, I'll call their names. Romy Mercado. Followed by Lina Donesa. Nasa ba yung ating mga background music? Wala na ba? At saka yung mga palakpakan ninyo dyan. Para ganahan naman itong ating mga directors. Aleni Garcia. Tingnan mo, nabuhay tayo. Dami Olvido. Siyempre, itong inyong yours truly ay hindi mawawala rin. Naririto rin. Esther Biahe. Balita Lamon. At siyempre, si Yen Dabangpura. Handog po namin sa inyong lahat. At kami po ay namamasgo po.
Pasko, tayo ay magkawitan. Pasko, Pasko, Pasko na ang muli. Kaming araw natin nilakabili. Pasko, Pasko, Pasko na ang muli. Ang magiging kakamali. Pasko, Pasko, Pasko na ang muli. Kaming araw natin nilakabili. Pasko, Pasko, Pasko na ang muli. Ang pag-ibig na kamali. Pasko, Pasko na ang muli. Kaming araw natin nilakabili. Pasko, Pasko, Pasko na ang muli. Ang pag-ibig na kamali. Pasko na ang muli. Kaming araw natin pinakabili. Pasko, Pasko, Pasko na ang muli. Ang pag-ibig na kamali. Pasko, Pasko na ang muli. Kaming araw natin pinakabili. Pasko, Pasko, Pasko na ang muli. Ang pag-ibig na ahari.
Nakita niyo naman ha? Kamusta? Maligayang Pasko po sa inyong lahat. Pero ang ganda nila. Magsukuhan.
Feliz Navidad.
Kamusta ka sa aking family?
Feliz Navidad.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, the highlights of this significant event of Forever Young Senior Society. We are very proud and so privileged to have a very special guest gracing our occasion today who will also induct our newly elected officers. He is a lawyer by profession and joined the Philippine Foreign Service in 1996